Respected Pujya Sri Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Parama Pujya Sri 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 Jayendrapuri Mahaswami Ji, Sri A.N. Srinivasa Rao, Dr. Srimati Sudha Seshayan, and all ladies and gentlemen, my humble pranams to you all. It is indeed a proud privilege for me to be a part of this memorable day in the annals of Tirupuzhar Anbargal, celebrating the Tirupuzhar Aanmiga Peruvizha, glorifying the greatness of Saint Arunagirinathar and bringing out his messages of compassion, bhakti, dedication in the language of Anbum and Avirodhamam, leading to the path of spirituality. I request all the audience to please maintain silence. The Vizha, conceptualized by Reverend Guruji Sri A.S. Raghavan, has come to fruition today with the wholehearted support and efforts of all the Anbargal across India. Thus, we are indebted to our Guruji for enabling us to enjoy the sweetness and greatness of Tirupuzhar Amrutham as elucidated by the great souls and eminent scholars present with us today. Rema, கொஞ்சம் அப்புறம் உட்கார வைக்கிறல. Silence please. As Dr. Sudha Seshayan put it, everybody should be qualified to do something. Even ex-President R. Venkatraman used to say that even to honor Guruji one should be qualified, one should have the qualification to honor him. So, we have no words to thank our indebtedness to Guruji who made us sing Tirupuzhar in the way we are all singing today. Our sincere thanks goes to Pujya Sri Swami Dayananda Saraswati, who is revered across the globe for his erudite exposition of Vedanta. The focus of this event being Aanmikam, spirituality, it is indeed our fortune to have had the benefit of his Anugrah Bhashana, which was incisive and enervating, and which has uplifted our minds and souls today. A grateful thanks to him for sparing his valuable time in the midst of his busy schedule. He was telling about the song of Arum Arum Anjum Anjum. We all know by a lot of songs that Arunagirinathar is a very good mathematician, and one more example of his mathematical skill is Thiru Ezhukoottri Irukkai, which starts from 1 and goes up to 7. So each line is a square of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Swami Dayananda Saraswati Swami Ji was telling that the realization of the limitations of human endeavors is a precondition for divine grace. The Lord's only vrata or noble policy is to accept the loaning souls with his noble karunai. விதிக்காணும் உடம்பை விடாவினையன் கதிக்கான மலர்கடல் என்று அருள்வாய், வள்ளியை அல்லது பின் துதியா விரதான்னு சொல்றார். The noble policy of the Lord is to shower his grace on all of us so long as we are totally devoted and committed in our bhakti to him. All the works of Arunagirinathar put together may be regarded as the Arunagiri Veda, of which Kandar Anubhuti would form the Arunagiri Upanishad. It is a mantra shastra. Dr. Sudha Seshayan was telling about the Guru Upadesha. A Guru Upadesha, which comes in the form of verbal instructions or writings, does not actually kill our ignorance, but gives an intellectual understanding that the real self is not the body. There is always a tug of war between the self inside and the objects outside. That is the intellectual understanding and the practical temptations of day-to-day life. It is for us to overcome all this so that the divine grace can be attained.
தயவு செய்து அமைதியை காக்கவும் ப்ளீஸ்.
We are also grateful for the holy presence of Parama Pujya Sri 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 Jayendrapuri Mahaswamiji for his benign message and address. He is a multilinguist and his blessings and Anugrah Bhashan are of great value to us, which throws light on how spirituality can be attained. We are extremely thankful to both these great Swamijis for releasing the MP3 CD of 28 songs of Tirupuzhar as taught by Guruji Sri A.S. Raghavan and the Kannada transliterated book of Tirupuzhar Ishavelipadu, both of which will be immensely useful to the Anbargal. We express our sincere thanks for the exhilarating exposition of Tirupuzhar Murugan in Tanmaigalum Menmaigalum by Dr. Srimati Sudha Seshayan, an orator par excellence and for whose name evokes concordant emotions among the religious and literary minded people. I am sure everyone here basks in the warmth of her delightful presentation of the topic. She was telling about the Sandangalam and Sattangalam in Tirupuzhar. Actually, Arunagirinathar is very good in bringing out the sounds of each way anything is done, whether it is a dance or in a war or whatever it is, which forms the sandam of the songs. And as she was telling, just as it is the nature of the sun to give warmth to those who expose themselves to it, so also is the swabhava of the spontaneous nature of the Lord to melt the hearts of devotees who take shelter under his feet. That is Charana Kamalayate Aranamisha Neramitti Nenetal Kuda Porama. And the Nilayil Poirindal, the spontaneous nature of the Lord is to melt the hearts of the devotees. And one should always understand that there are some limitations to the human endeavors, because man cannot attain everything without the grace of God, which Guruji often tells us. எதை சொன்னாலும் முருகன் பார்த்துப்போன்னு தான் சொல்லுவார். அது போல அது வேல் துணைன்னு பாடுவோம், வேலும் மயிலும் துணைன்னு பாடுவோம். Veil is identical to the absolute. This spear is the real Swarupa of Lord Subramanya. We are thankful to Sri A.N. Srinivasa Rao, Secretary of Dharma Paripalana Sabha, Gandhinagar, Adayar, for presenting the temple honors to our chief guest Pujya Sri Swami Dayananda Saraswati and Parama Pujya Sri 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 Jayendrapuri Mahaswami Ji, a befitting start to the occasion. Our thanks are due to Srimati Padma Venkatraman, our President, for the welcome address and her role in steering the activities relating to the Anmiga Peruvizha precisely to each and every detail with her valuable suggestions and guidance. I cannot forget to place on record the dedicated and sincere efforts of the special committee formed for planning the arrangements of this function, the volunteers and Anbargal who have worked tirelessly so that the Veera is successfully conducted. May Lord Muruga bless one and all and shower his grace for a meaningful celebration. Thank you.